Well, good morning, everybody. I'm down here early because I was worried in case the builders came as I was doing this. This is Bella here, by the way. Sorry, trying to get my room tour or craft room tour done, and I'll go in a bit closer over here. This is my new shelving that my hubby's put up for me. He's put all my pictures up that my paintings that I did years ago. Sorry, I walked into the table then. It's not perfect, but I'm enjoying it and it's working for me. So it's not very posh, but it's coming together. I've still got things I need to sort out, but I think that's just going to take time. And that's just my storage unit there. I bought these, and this is one on top of the other, and I bought them in B&M, believe it or not, for these. So the girls that are in UK, they're two little book stands, or whatever, or stands they are. These I'm talking about, this here. And they're just perfect for these little baskets, aren't they? This is where at the moment I'm doing my stitching with my sewing machine on my desk, which is much smaller than what I had in my other room. I had two desks in my old room, but it's working. There's my messy cake stand already. I'm going to do this quickly. I've got a funny feeling that the men are going to turn up soon. I've got some journals on here. I'm just going to try and go around slowly. My hubby put my paintings up the other day, as I said, and I've got shelves over here, and I've got my lace boxes here, but I've got a lot of the lace now. I've put in that cake stand. That's my photocopier and my printer. Now I bought these and they came yesterday, and I've taken Kerry the Crafter's idea, and I put the cardstock, you know, the 12 by 12 cardstock in those. And they were as cheap as chips on Amazon. That's still got to be sorted under there. That's my very last box to empty, and that is full of what is it? Quilting, bits of quilting in there. Now this is the corner that I haven't yet managed to get a whip into shape. Sorry, that was my husband. And that's a painting I did years ago there of some daisies. But it'll come, it'll all get sorted. I managed to get those two metal drawers in under there, which I thought was neat. I've got another chest of drawers here. Those down there are waiting. I bought those for Rachel, so they've got to be sent to Rachel. And my kitchen is through there. And I keep all my, let me just shut the door a second. Oh, something's stopping it. There we go. All my punches are on there. Sorry about that. So, a couple of little paintings I did a long time ago. Now, this is the other messy corner. I'm not the best at keeping things tidy. I just tend to, you know, arty people, they are messy, aren't they? This here, I'm sorting out, ready for the retreat. That's for the slow stitching packs that I'm making up for us to do together in my workshop at the retreat, which is looming ahead, is coming on very quickly. And this is our breakfast table here, and this is where I do some of my work on my computer. So that's it. She's tiny. I've got a long cupboard over there, which I'll show you the inside of if you'd like to see the inside of this. That's not too bad. I'm pretty good at keeping this cupboard ship shape, but as I say, I'm not very good with drawers and I'm not very good with cupboards. All right, so there she is. I'll just move back and let you see the full view. And I absolutely love living here. So, oh, and I've got my trolley. I didn't show you my trolley, did I? I did have two, but I've taken one out because there's just not enough room. And this is where I'm hoping to do my stitching with my sewing machine, because I brought my sewing machine table with me. So that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you do, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and a lovely comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, then please do. Take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day.